Hey, if you are wondering how you can charge your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro and what kind of the charger you can use, so let me quickly explain. So as default on your box you can find this kind of the charger, so all you have to do is just to put your watch like this and you should get this charging information and where you can connect this charger. So in my case, it's currently connected with this cable straight into my laptop. So you don't even have to use the power adapter. You can connect this into your monitor, into your laptop, TV, basically to any device with power supply. But if you want to use power adapter, then you can for sure do this. And it doesn't actually matter what kind of the adapter you have. You can use the same from your phone. In my case, I'm using my powerful adapter from Motorola with 125 watts. So don't worry, you are not gonna break anything, you are not gonna damage your watch or charger. If you have such a powerful adapter, it's gonna automatically reduce power that comes from the charger into your watch. There's also the wireless charger, so you can just put the back of this device on the wireless charger, like the same that you are using for your phone, for example. And that's actually the wireless charger also. I know that looks a little bit different from the convenient one, but yeah. So that's all what I want to mention. That's just basic information about the charging this device. And if you find it useful somehow, then please hit the like button.